Skarper. Why buy an electric bike when a standard one can be upgraded? That's precisely what the British team Skarper offers. Their invention will enable up to 37 miles of riding without pedaling while weighing only 7.3 pounds more. The catch is that you can only upgrade your bike if it has disc brakes. The difference between Skarper and comparable items that rotate the wheel is that Skarper moves the rear brake disc. In addition, depending on the region, the system has built-in speed limitations of 16 or 20 miles per hour. It takes roughly 2.5 hours to charge completely. The Skarper will cost around $1,200 and will be available in 2023. Sgnl. The American engineers allow you to place calls by simply putting the tip of your fingers near your ear with this Sgnl watch. They have developed a strap that functions by way of bone conduction. Simply put, vibrations is how sound travels. You may answer calls by simply pairing the strap with your smartphone via Bluetooth. One of its benefits is the device's capacity to operate independently and be compatible with several traditional smartwatches. It works with iOS and Android devices. It also includes a tracking tool that enables you to improve your organization. The strap comes in 3 colors with a starting price of $139. Hairwashing Robot. A collection of crazy innovations wouldn't be complete without a few Japanese creations, right? Another robot has shocked us from the country of the rising sun. This time for hair shampooing. One of them was tested in a Nishinomiya hair salon, and Panasonic's experts are confident that it will be helpful when caring for the elderly and those with restricted mobility. The process is fully mechanized, and the robot has 24 unique fingers. According to Panasonic engineers, actual fingers and robot ones have almost identical sensations. The business is confident that this device will be ideal for nursing homes and hospitals. Lunaset Pro Monofin. Anyone can now feel like a mermaid or a dolphin by purchasing this monofin. Michael Phelps, the 23-time Olympic winner, has already tested it and managed to swim 87 seconds quicker than his 2009 world record. The monofin took around 10 years to create, including the fabrication of about 15 prototypes. The final version costs $400 and comes in 4 color variations. The design is foldable, comes with a specific key, and fits within a backpack when folded. Skoda RS Mega Pan Pram. Several years ago, Skoda developed an improved baby stroller to advertise their Octavia RS sedan. But after discovering that having something like this would encourage young fathers to spend more time with their children, Skoda is considering putting such prams into production. It has a hydraulic suspension and a 6.6-foot maximum height. For comparison, the wheels have a 20-inch diameter. Octavia RS wheels measure 18 inches. And the low-profile rubber works well on all types of roads and is universal. Of course, everything has reinforced brakes, brake lights, headlights, and rear-view mirrors. However, we only have one query. Where should this automobile be parked? HEHE emblem. Heiko Hansen and Helen Evans are the creators of this installation, a piece of modern art displayed in the British city of Manchester. A tribute to the Liverpool and Manchester Railway permeates the entire undertaking. It was the first railway with 2 tracks running length as the whole and the first to use just steam-powered locomotives. It started operating in 1830, and its profitable and successful operation sparked a railroad craze. The main features of this project are its compactness and practicality. In particular, solar panels are used, and the design combines the past and the future, reminding us of the paintings depicting the first trains. Effie. Why not automate the ironing process, because doing it manually takes time and effort? A group of English inventors developed this ironing machine. It only requires you to hang your clothing in it, choose an operation mode, and wait for 3 to 6 minutes. Ironing is accomplished using a special hot press method. You can turn on the steam mode, suitable for delicate clothing, or the dry setting to swiftly dry damp clothes. The system's 50 by 32-inch dimensions and its cost of roughly $900 are its only drawbacks. Pro Drone GS120. Here is yet another invention by Japanese engineers, a versatile drone. According to the maker, the aircraft features a 10-horsepower gasoline 2-stroke engine and can fly for 2.5 hours with a load of 33 pounds. The drone will be appropriate for flying to remote places affected by natural disasters, logistics area observation, and agricultural use. The drone is also wind resistant, and the gas tank can hold around 2 gallons of fuel. Hush Me Classic. On your screen, you can see a system that guarantees the secrecy of crucial conversations while reducing background noise. Through a tiny jack cable or Bluetooth, it may be connected to your phone or any other device. You can wear this device around your neck to avoid drawing unwanted attention because it resembles a wireless headset. It has a 10-hour usable life and an 85-hour standby time. The price of this device starts at $229. Ryse. Another personal flying vehicle was created primarily to meet the requirements of rescue teams and agricultural laborers. According to the project's creators, farmers, agronomists, and other specialists undoubtedly need such devices, who are confident that there is an undiscovered market for such products. For various needs, the construction is easily adaptable and flexible. Even non-tech savvy people will be able to learn how to fly it thanks to the control system's simplification and artificial intelligence assistance. Fend Super. American designers attempt to update the traditional look of a bicycle helmet. They went out into the streets and inquired about the preferred type of helmet from those using scooters, skateboards, motorcycles, and other similar vehicles. This folding version is the end product. The helmet meets both American and European safety standards. It is roughly 4 inches broad when folded and 8 inches wide when it is opened. You'll need to spend at least $70 on this helmet. Msi Liberator. If you desire a novel gaming experience, you can get this controller to play video games with your feet. 3 programmable buttons on the device let you utilize them alone or in combinations. Racing simulations are probably the most obvious use for this controller, but the makers are confident that shooters, combat, and other titles will also benefit from it. It's an excellent option for multiplayer gaming because one computer can support up to 4 controller connections. The device will help both professional and creative tasks, including programming, music recording, and video processing. You'll need to shell out at least $150 for this device. MVB Backpack. It doesn't sound thrilling, but you can travel anywhere with an eco-friendly waterproof backpack. What if it could also function as a flotation device, an air cushion, or a shield? This Kickstarter project explicitly offers that. The bag can handle up to 40 pounds and has a capacity of around 40 gallons. Both a standard variant for $107 and a Kevlar reinforced version for $189 are available. They each weigh 1 and 2 pounds. Both versions are mainly trustworthy. With the help of detachable straps, you can convert the backpack into a bag and add extras like a tiny pump, an accessory pocket, and a laptop sleeve. We love learning and implementing the latest cutting-edge technologies. So which among these amazing inventions would you likely purchase? Comment below and let us know. Click the like button if you haven't already. For access to more fascinating videos, don't forget to subscribe and click the notification button. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye!